Let's look at example 1. Let's find the domain and range and determine if this relation is a function. So this is a relation given by a set of ordered pairs. We've got our x, y, x, y, so on and so forth. So the ordered pairs, these are all graphed below. Notice this isn't like the type of picture that we think of when we think of a graph. This is a discrete graph. It's not connected, right? Okay, so let's list the elements of the domain. So because it's a discrete set, there's only finitely many points here. I'm just going to list them, and I'll use this notation, use a brace, and then I'll just list all the x coordinates in order, separated by a comma. So this first x coordinate here is -4. I got that one. And then 0. I just like to list them in order. Next comes, this number, pi. It's like approximately 3.14, right? And then here, the number 6. Notice I didn't list -4 twice, but it appeared twice. Now let's list the elements of the range. Those are the y coordinates. Let's start from the lowest y coordinate and go up to the highest one. The lowest one is right here. What is that, -1? Just put a slash through it. -1. And then I got 2 points here up at height 0. That's this one and that one. The next y coordinate is up at height 2. That's that one. And then the highest y coordinate here, that's my pi squared. So here's my domain, here's my range. Now, is this relation a function? So the answer is going to be no, not a function. And here's 2 ways to see that. Number 1, the value -4, the x coordinate -4, appears twice. So this is like saying the input -4 is it goes to 2, but also that input -4 is associated with the output 0. You can't have an input going to 2 separate outputs at the same time with a function. All right, here's another way to see that. Here, these 2 points lie on a vertical line. So if I were to draw this vertical line, it would intersect the graph in these 2 points. So these 2 points, I'll say, tell us that this relation is not a function because of the 2 points, -4, 2 and -4, 0. These 2 points give us evidence that this is not a function.